Okay, we are looking at Tuesday the 27th here, folks.
Gold.
I'm just going to view something there. Okay, Tuesday the 27th. We want to look at oil bidding lower or offering lower 1.64% down on the session. And this thing is really, oh, I don't want to do that. I want to put that back in there and then I want to take that off. Yeah, so we're really looking for further downside as it's pretty obvious right now. So, you're really just going to be watching out for a bit of a trend break here to occur. And that's coming into town right now on the high of this candle. Okay, as you can see, mid low on the screen just down here. We're coming into section on that trend right now, and we're taking offers.
Mr.
So
Bunch also says that we must accept that our ability.
Okay, so just quiet the squawk there for a second. But for me, the trade I like is an imbalance pullback onto VWAP. Sell that thing around 69.10s, and down then for a break on this trend. You can't, it's a tricky area to get involved on the short, given that we're down 1.5% right now on market on oil. Okay, so that's oil. What else do I want to look at? Gold here is washing all over the place. But just before I switch over to that chart, look at dollar here on the top of the screen, top center. I think we're going down to 102 spot 30.92s. So that's more downside in the dollar. You're going to have further eyes on the euro, and you're going to get that big pullback on, well, not a huge pullback, but more of this pulling back here from gold. Right, so this kind of little spot there, taking out all this crud off the screen. I think the market is going to try and have a good old push on this this upper area here. But I think ultimately it may just be very difficult to take a trade here on gold today. For the shorts and for the longs. If you're long, it's all over the place for me. It's a lot of it is outside of my edge right now. So look, I think what we can look at is probably this little zone here. This little zone here. I'll tidy that up a wee bit. Coming into selling. So 1940s potential for a short there, but I just don't like it. I think we need to pull back a lot more to potentially 1949s and then look for the short. So that's 1949s up in this area here. Looking for that short to come in. And then kind of, probably play that for a couple of days on the short side down. US equities, no real change here. Look, I like SPOOs 14,372. So we can hold this for the next 30 minutes. I think long to trade back up in yesterday's range. But we're about to get in 8 minutes here core durable goods and durable goods orders out of the US. And then 3 bells London time, we're going to get CB consumer confidence. So really, that's going to change the whole attitude of the markets as you currently see them right now. So just do keep that in mind. These equities are pretty low, and I think they need to go lower. I don't see any crazy bids coming out of the woodwork, and I think bids should be sold. So 43.97 SPOOs. Look at the largest order on the book right now is sitting up here, almost around yesterday's highs where we were taking shorts. So I think if we do that, I think we're going to sell down off there and make new lows on the week. That's it. Stay lucky out there. Be good. Bye-bye.